Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and in the last video I showed you guys how to put on your eyebrows and where to start to make it easier, right? So y'all enjoyed that video so much that I am going to put another step on it. All right. So I got, my little pencil here. Remember I told y'all that y'all can use any pencil. Y'all can use any pencil. And just put your brows on, okay? And I have so many little tips and tricks that whatever apply to you, just use. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I am letting my eyebrows grow back for y'all. So if you want your eyebrows to grow back, but you don't want the hair to show, I'm going to show you in a different video how you can cover up that hair that is growing back and you can still keep your eyebrow shape. Because I have something I want to show y'all. And I'm gonna tell you this: if you have ever did your brows and you really liked it, I'm gonna tell you, until you get used to doing them like that, I would take a picture. I sure would. I did it. I had did my brows one time so good I couldn't believe I did it. And I wanted to be able to do it like that all the time. So I took a picture of it. I'll show you. Now, also, what I want to tell you all is when you clean up your brows, just like I told you in the other video, when you clean up your brows, what you want to do is you want to get all the hair off that you're not using. Because if you leave hair on there and you're not going to cover it up, and that's going to come in a different video of how I'm showing you how to cover up hair that you may want to keep for a different shape. I got so much I can tell y'all about these brows, and then y'all just use what's good for y'all. So really, I am just, cleaning them up. So I got a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer on my brush, and I'm getting the shade that's closest to my skin complexion. But although I am doing that, I really don't have like halo brows, and that's where you can see the concealer all around your brow. I usually just wipe that off like you see me doing here. But guys, you don't want your eyebrows to be thick either in the beginning of your brow. So I'm finna ombre my brow naturally just by making little strokes with whatever is left on the concealer brush. Look at that. That softened the front of the brow. All right, guys. So if you are the type that's trying to grow your hair back on your brows because you want a different shape, but now it's sort of hard for you to, fill in your brows because you keep going to that hair that you really not used to anymore. In the next video, I will show you all how to cover up that hair and still allow it to grow so you can get the next shape. But in this video, I'm going to show you something different. Okay? I'm going to show you something different. So we got on one brow. Let me put on the other. So let me tell y'all something. I think altogether, my brows cost maybe $4. It's most definitely under $5. Yeah. So all under here is hair that I don't want. And if you don't know, you will let that hair make you go over there with your pencil and you'll be trying to follow that hair. You don't want that hair. You don't want that hair. So be mindful of that. The only reason why I'm growing that hair back is because I told y'all I'm trying to show y'all something else with that hair. Now the next hack that I'm about to show you guys is very important. You see that hair in that eyebrow? All that hair that's in that eyebrow. I can't stand seeing that hair. I am going to show you how to get rid of that hair. So we got that brow on, right? If you are a person that the hair bothers you, because you can see the hair in the brow. You see that? You can see that hair in that brow. See that? A lot of people will go and bleach that hair. You ain't got to bleach that hair. Get your concealer. In my phase of when I was using, you know, wanted to wear lighter hair because I had dyed my hair blonde, this is what I did. This is what I did to make, you'll see, watch this. Y'all see that hair disappear? The only thing you're doing is putting a little concealer on. Please don't put a lot now. Look at that.
Oh my God!
Can y'all see that? So can y'all see that? One side is lighter than the other. So if you want lighter brows or you want to make that hair disappear, that's all you got to do. If you want to make that hair disappear, that's all you got to do. Look at that. If you want it lighter than that, just keep adding, you know, little layers. But that hair, you see all that hair right in there? Because you don't want it too thick. And that is going to come in the next video. I can't wait to show y'all that hack in the next video. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. And see, the hair just disappears. And if you want it lighter, then go lighter. If you want darker eyebrows, then you would get, guess what? You would get a darker concealer. It's all about what you want, okay? You could either go light or dark. You can go very light or dark. You know what I'm saying? So it's all in how you want your eyebrow to look. So we have that on there. The other thing that I want to tell you all is, if you're going to be doing your eyebrows and things of that nature, it is up to you about this step that I want to tell you. Now, me, I usually wait until after I do my brows to moisturize my face and, you know, to tone my face and everything, because sometimes the moisturizer that you use will keep you from really styling your brows the way you want to style them. But the way I get around that is I either moisturize my face first and wait for a minute. I mean, wait for like a half an hour, you know, go do something else. And then, you know, I would do my brows because that give it a chance to soak into the skin and all that. And that's a toner. You know, that's a toner because a lot of your moisturizers may keep you from getting the best results that you can get for your brows. All right, well, that is part 2 of the brow series, and we are going to keep on building from there. Remember, in the comment section down below, let me know if y'all want me to keep going with these brow series and let you know how to achieve the best brow that you can achieve. And when I see that in the comment section down below, I'm on it. I am on it. Well, look, if this video has helped you all in any way, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Also, hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss my next video. You do not want to miss my next video. I am on my way over here to Regina's Way. That's my other channel. I would appreciate it if y'all go over there, hit the subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know that y'all came from Regina TV over there to Regina's Way, because we be doing some things over there too, and you do not want to miss that stuff either.